Hi, ke re mogelesegele via tsa Gold Dino Caro ngwanyana ke go ipankanya meskat. This is CMTV ni atembana ke mo he again ka another episode. Ngwanyana ke go iphuta a ipankanye and no longer go back. Ke o mama tso go sentse go na le di style tsa go ya go di acting. Nai ha o le gore ex ya ga Caro a nyukfuni. But for now a re go bona gore batho ba re tshwaretseng kontle guys. A re jole di ex akere. That's the word of the day. Asijole na ma ex ntshela morago. Dumela mabogo go ga ikirlo mogelesegele via it's a Gold Dino Caro and this is CMTV my skat kemo ni athebana na ntse ba couple teaching phones my skat na ke are lo jola jwang rena re sa jole a re tsabe mo strating re ba kene and see gore what's happening ntshela morago ntsi
and wena okwesithunga liba last wathi mandibambe izivuke ndzayimela mina lo nto
indaba yazivenzakalani
lo kusendela mabali
ari mutle pelo
it's not what you think man khulumani ngoba uyasho lo muntu ukuthi una 2 years and lokhu
bathi
akithola pisha ke monna
It's almost December for my skat na yena re practice tlamedi ke batla go ruta dance ya ga sign bridge ya hello hi na ke la jima it's taking a walk ne it's a beautiful day
it's a lovely
sunny day
yeah you guys are so lovely you guys are very cool
yourself
thank you can I please talk to you guys
okay
please I got energy anyena we born dance in chaya sign bush yeah
yes
you guys are very lovely yeah
you're gonna make me shy
oh motho o wane
kinda
wa java o java tshwanetse
kuyazama
o tsema tse
look Jimmy retsa tsona tse
o etsa tshwanetse wa
na re shake ke
oh yeah
you got to keep the abs and everything up
everything needs to be together
yes wa bona oh yeah re ke kaofela maroko metso a tshware a gagamale stuff ne my name is Dino guys from CMTV ke buela
ke le sono
so my darling wena le bitso la ke mang
ke nontlantla
can we please have a conversation just a bit on king mona o tla le moya wa burbusa go mona ne hallo mind the game checker tsa almost December but
I thought as much
the trip you thought as much
the Bahamas maybe
the Bahamas
Yeah.
hey maybe re ka Zanzibar
okay let's do that
though Tanzania go trapanwa ne o bon
Shells
o batla Seychelles ha batla go trapante maiskat
ai yo batla Seychelles tle
alona vuma gore masholo tamile go be ba mashe ko pele you know the ugly ones tamile o bele the ugly
ke ba ba
ones
tsusanga ke gevela
in front
yes everybody
yeah and tamile re vuma mzansi gore there are people that are ugly and there are people that are beautiful. There are people that are skinny and there are people that are fat.
Yes.
It's a fact.
Yes.
About feminine what ing. But
ka ile rekeo
gona le light skin, gona le light skin, gona le dark skin. Ager.
yes
O tswa go kae my brother?
nna ke motho o dulang Flayoff
Ongwe motho wa Florida.
yes Florida
Go biesa ga ke a tseba kwa.
yeah re ka tshwa
Yeah.
Re ka
Ga motho bo West Rand so.
ke western ka ofela
Bo ka giso a ke ra.
ofela yona ho ya
Ke nna bisa ganyana ko bo ka giso. Those yes.
and abantu ba le busy
Ne. Wena tsa go ka intlatla.
go Dubai
In Soweto.
Dubai
New York. Kana ke Midlands.
yeah Middle East to ke New York
Yeah, ke New York. Fa tsala miskat.
re bouge mo
Le buji.
Eh.
Ngwanyana ke go nna geto. Wa ntele.
ai ke la
white as ever
E seng jalo.
ai se jalo
Tsela jola guys or le dichomi o re ke go etsagalang.
ra jola bona
La jola.
ke motho wa ka o
ke motho
La ratana ne.
ai ka morata
Ke ntse tsa lona.
oh la
Nna go ke le jola.
7 months now
Re feng like the tipping and guys no na ke phela ke baiza yo ke le gwala ke thaba love when things become nice ne ke na le
ja fatshe
Nna ke tsebe ke na le bokwa ba bo tla. Yeah.
no one hurt you, you know. Just keep yourself sane. Love the person that you're with.
So how do you guys drive your relationship?
I mean, we go to the gym together. So
Oh, that's the first thing.
that's the first.
Baby roku ka tipi jo. Yeah.
There's any abs or like that.
Yeah, ne? Yeah.
That's what we do. We do our squats. We eat together. We party
Walk
together.
together.
Yeah, but mine that one is skinny and he's tall and he's very nice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was just phrasing it out.
Wow.
So guys, nna ke tswa ko niathembana nna ke batla gore yaanong re exchange di-phones for 60 seconds o bone fela ke re lwa tshepana fela
Oh.
o trust motho wa miskat ke game
I can WhatsApp.
wa mo tshepa
Hey.
out of 100
How? I didn't know.
batla gore ntlantlas out of 100
I can move 80%.
mo fa 80
80.
20 o tla flopa
I
ne
get it 20 is just in J.
plus go na le banyana ba di-weave
Eh,
go na le bana ba ba ranna le marago a magolo
Dinero so.
ne yeah wena out of 100 hey ke tle pele man ntja man kak man
Enjoy ka reng khalo ke sa.
yeah wena out of 100
5.
75 why it's 75 35 go tsala or ke eng 25
25 room for disappointment, you know. Re batho.
marekana
Re batho.
wena o tlogetse di yela RDP not room
I ke batle pelo e crack e bewe mos.
kana 25 ele ke di yele RDP miskat
25.
mare ke a bona o bona nna ne
90 yeah, baby.
Yeah.
90
Yeah.
o bona nna ne ke ghost lady ya love modimo wa ge dineo
Hey.
tsama o ba bona o ba kopantse yeah before ga December o gole sharp
Everything.
ya no tlamile re exchange di phone for 60 seconds my skat so lanka kana bala menona ma o tole ya matso o kopantsha
How's it now? Gona kana le rule mos ka montlo.
ya gona rule a ke
Kopana ka-
lo share salive a ke
Eh,
lo share philo
eh.
lo share le Simmons yes
Mara jwanong
ha o tle a bute tlhoka ba itse ke linela le kgwala ka leo mona bona gore ke go tlhomping tla ya dreso 60 seconds alo mind mo sa ke miskat
Mara.
Angithi sithandwa.
We're breaking our roof.
Una fana angithi usicela, angithi ufuna ukubona iphone. Let's iphone.
ya re bone
Zisa iphone.
iza iphone ziza iphone ziza iphone entle ke bile flare off ga e fere ntle ke le dube ne
Nah.
it's actually a walking distance right
A taxi away.
out it takes you away
Taxi away.
yeah how you like oh yeah but I have this one
We're Netherlands and then you just cross over to the west.
Awe Mzazi CMTV my name is Zero Carol this niathembana na ke tshwere power miskat ha re tsere go diragala mo batho ba tshepa di mo 2 seconds o di ing a re bona ra kopantsha gore jang batla go bona this is the part that I love about the game
Okay.
ya ke nyedisa bat dina se a tshatsa my darling ke kale ka ya mang
Kopa phone ya ene.
phone ya hae which is this one
Yeah.
this one is his
Se patana o etatela.
o batla re qale ka phone ya hae wa re se qale ka phone ya miskat
A ka thoma ka yaka, no problem.
or wena wa reng how do you feel nna ke batla go utlwa ya gago sharp
Go for it. Mara. We have
Kopa
a
it's-
rule.
wa bona gore e safe ya kere
Ke le rwa ke game.
Oh.
What is ya dlala?
We're gonna win something?
yeah you know yeah hey
Yeah, we're gonna win something.
Zanzibar nyana
Mm.
Zanzibar okay unlock mo my brother wa bona ke di fingerprint di fingerprint go di iPhone ke iPhone man ai kopang ke le mo WhatsApp what do you like doing mo WhatsApp o rata go kopa di notes nka tamela nyene me
No.
a kopa di notes
Chat le batho ba go gymming.
ya gore e re ke bona gore o developile ka di apps
Yeah, you know, I could we help each other out, get the exercise, the fitness classes, things like that.
it's a like a come outside so wena hanke o batla di pictures aren't you a personal trainer
Yes, I am.
yeah ke rata ntho tseo
So it's just pictures from training people.
already come outside tlakza tlakza a ke gole di braille wa reng ka mang ke mango
Ubantando.
Ay, iyantombazane
Eh,
yase
na ubantando.
hallo o itse thando
I'm training and
Uyamtrainer?
yeah. Uthanda ukuza ngethaithe phepho lesikhuluma ngaye.
Oh, that's why uyamtrain uthando.
Yeah.
Phone yakho uthando. Wonke abantu abatrainer basefonini yakho.
Chat.
Mara Thando. ke man le Sylvia lena
Mansibe.
Gym.
Bonke basejimini.
Sylvia umuntu omdala
Hey, ke mo le wa gym.
Ubani ubhalisa?
Gym.
Bonke bayajima bayenza.
are mo founela are don't you have my
Simfonela ubhalisa.
bonka di mo founela
La nga ke re sa bua.
well ma
Ela.
Bekela phone ubhalisa.
ke tona le ema
Asifonela ubhalisa.
Amfuwa asimfoneli ithi ukutshele.
sa mo founela tisa
Lu sese sintawo. E re ko jwetse man baby.
Ngicela sifonela ubhalisa. Asimfonela ngithi. Che.
Hayi.
Re founela Palesa or one of them le Sylvia o busy le bagolo wena.
Mara Palesa
No, ngiyabafuna.
awuthusa
Tshwara mo.
thusa ejimini kangaka. Why balandelana kanje?
Angithi you know
I don't know. I don't know. Asimfonele kancane.
Re batla o bona re founela Palesa o mind akere my skirt.
ke mind.
Wena wa re Palesa ke eng mo?
Palisa, I'm just a gym instructor.
O mo etsang o rata di squats ne?
Wa
So
uhle.
yo.
Uhleka.
O rata di squats?
Mm-mm.
Hello Palesa.
Oh, that.
Hi ke teng le kae? Ke o bua le Dineo from CMTV ni a Thembana na ke emele abuti le hlono lo a mo tseba.
Ke a motseba.
O mo tseba jwang sis?
Ke motho wa
Ke motho hao.
ke motho wa ka.
Le nna go kae are wa o trainer o gym.
One trainer.
O gym.
O ka ile fahona le wa teng.
Ke yo le hlono le wa teng wena araba Palesa wa kae? Batho ba gym ka nje le una le energy.
O reng hantle o reng.
Are wa mo trainer.
Ke mo trainer wa tsa.
O gym. Ya ka mo bathong.
Wena no Palesa.
Are o gym le.
Tsana go jimini.
O ya phika le na isikhathi sengakanani John?
Mamela man.
Angifuna ukumamela uzangiphambanisa.
Sola.
4 years. Are na le 4 years. Wena.
Yes. Una phone.
Okay, so o na le mosadi wa hae mo ne.
Ke mango boango. Ke mango.
Kopa o buelene sese.
Palesa unjani?
Palisa marong.
Ngiyaphila sis. Uhlona umuntu wami understand mawuthi umuntu wakho kwenzakalani sis?
Umuntu wa mhloni.
Umuntu wakho since nini sis?
Oyazi isibhayana mhloni.
Hayi nangijwayele athi ngidile nohloni.
Yo, atle ke delete mo. Hi guys, sorry sisi. Manga, ya itse go jima lona mara le batla go ntabogitsa mgato kaofela. Sister, are solve ntwe re mo bathong mo. Re mo di sabapo. Re mo bathong.
Uyangiqhela ngithi.
Wawetsa so.
Wenza so ing. Angithi uyenzayo. Uyangijwayela.
So wena sister, are dire so fast
I
ne?
just stop the web.
Cause ke batla go tsa nakwa le e ngata ne. A re etse so fast. A kre o sentse o bona re wa go cheatela already.
Yes.
Kunje wena o na le nako ka o cheata.
It's nothing, man.
Wena wa cheata wena me dali ke go bona o tla ka moni.
Ini.
Yes.
It's nothing in. Uthini manje?
Tshwara.
Check.
A re etse fast re shebe ya hae.
Ten.
A kere re shebe ya hae ha o mind a kere sis.
Nang mind.
Kopong unlock mo. Why o cheatela o se o mong o le ka eng so?
Eish, no mistake, man. It was a mistake.
O le ka eng?
Asuleka, she's got everything that I want.
But what is it?
I was tempted by Palisa.
Hey, mar Palesa khalo jale ne or ana le standby.
It's an on and off thing.
Or o patala di bills go thata it's Joburg.
Eish.
Ne? Tsena mo Kopa o ratang so wena o cheat my darling. Kopa ska search pele wena o cheat.
Nang cheat.
O right.
Right.
Kopong katamela hanyane. Kopong katamela hanyane. Kopa on searchele sex. Kopa tlo so hanyane. Retse so. Kopong checkele sex. Come closer my brother.
Yes.
Sex.
Give her two.
Oh, sex yani miskats.
Yeah?
Oh, it's interesting.
Hayi kuyasquat.
O squatter fe.
Drinking tuchugo yana ke manyo.
Ha uyazi mngana okay.
Untuchugo?
Untuthuko.
O hayi ukhuluma no sex ngesex nontutu.
Athandazelana mosi.
Look up phone.
Yeah?
Hayibo.
phone.
Lo mosi ngontuthuko.
Akere na.
Oh ngakutshela ngalo mprofit engaya kuye athandazelana ngithi.
Nangu no George la.
Hayi angimazi George.
Naye kuno sexy.
Hayibo.
Udi ubani?
How dear. Mother.
Udio dick.
Udio yama
Kupala kuna ka phone lo yona bona mo.
Ya kopa re phone le.
phone.
A ke bone ke mo interesting.
Hayi ke ntengi fihla.
Tuchugo bona ntho tse ngata jwa.
Ntutuko. Ke se number tse. Ga di bits. Wena wa o jele le ntutuko ke re my sister.
Ha batho ngompro.
Wena ke mang your personal trainer.
Did view once?
Hayi angina personal trainer uyazi.
Una di view once le a guys wena
Bona ikwakha heavy vele.
Yo.
Uzuyafihla.
Ufihla ini.
So that's why you said yes to the rule.
Yeah.
Athatha my phone because you knew as
you knew.
yakho. Ngizawuthi.
Hello buti.
Ke rule ya hao.
Hello sir.
Hela, bua wena.
Kat man, hello man.
Yebo.
Unjani buthi?
Entuthuko. La ntuthuko
Philo njani?
akwaphila kwa. Wamtseba noNhlanhla mfethu.
Ya, ngiyamazi mhlawumbe.
King noNhlanhla wena.
Chori yami noNhlanhla.
King?
Umuntu wami.
Wenzani ungazongibuza ukuthi ngubani dala ngijola nalo mntana lo nesikhathi esingakanani ngijola wena naye.
Yeba umuntu wami lo muntu usina uhlala uma 4 eyes.
Kodwa ngicwetsa kabathu lwena apha njalo.
Sukumaka.
Kiyo wapuwa.
Kantuthuko.
Why you pick up?
Entuthuko wena uke walala nomuntu wami mfethu njengoba ukhuluma kanje.
noNhlanhla uba lo mkhulu
Hayi wena
Indoda yakhe.
indoda yakhe yini indoda yachori wami lo indoda yakhe yakugwe.
Asibona.
Yeah.
yo
Wena ke ndoda ke remonstrateng umuntu wakho uyachita.
hayi ngalinge
Angicongomnike ifoni niyonika umuntu wami ifoni noNhlanhla.
hello njani
Dali wami yini mayi
hayi hayi ungasho ukuthi ngumuntu hayi wena manje hayi ungazongijwayela kabi wena uthuba menga
Awu Ntuthuko, wena uchite man between them.
hayi wena yo hayi ntuthuko
Ntuthuko now uyajima.
yo
ngijimi next mina mfethu umuntu wami.
Umuntu ajimi next. Ajimi next.
lo niyathandaza
Okay buthi Ntuthuko, thank you.
noma kancane hawu
Uthe uMtuthuko is gay, umprofeta. There's a lot of things.
hawu
Kawukapali ka phone.
hayi wena hey ungalinge uthenga ifoni nini
Ngibona GBV cala jwa.
hayi
Yeah. Mari wena ke mang o GBV?
nabantu abaningi ejimi
Who's GBV?
izindaba zakho
Who's trapping you right now? And nanhla go, yeah. Cause u busy wa accuse umsedi wabantu. What about you? What about you?
Profit.
mara wayenenza kanje dine wawetha so yazi wawetha so
Lena cho the excuse tao. The excuse tao tao re motho ke mo profeta hape ke gay.
wawusixabanisa sisihambela kamnandi
Ha ke le qabani.
Akathethe ukufeta phone yeo. Maybe ke list ka.
Na ke batlo bona di notes even.
Wa
I can say
okay ngicela ubuze uzenza ukuthi basixabanise
hey
xabanisa abantu ame kancane
mara la chitelana no.
mara vele
No, me I had to come in and find out.
hayi nami ngisa
Lakusha.
Mara vele no some matter ke re talks. Be honest. Uno some
Ke tshwantse re lo kopanya batswadi.
batho ngwa letsa so.
xesha kunini
Amaso.
awuthatha ixesha ngizakulinda ukuze benini
The first 2 months.
hayi uthatha isikhathi kini
Zamol.
hayi baningi
Yona George
futhi baningi
Ntuthuko. Uyahawo.
akunandaba baningi angithi nawe ubhizi ethi mina
Babekile
umuntu
phezu kwakho.
angithi babhizi nawe angangijwayeli kabi
Kalokho kungcono manje.
hayi suka thatha ixesha kunini ngilindile ngizolinda ngathi
Khale batsho kuyesho uri Maxhosa.
Asibone.
Maxhosa.
ndingijwayeli kabi
Kiba ubaba.
vele
Ke bone ba. So wena o chite re reng. Umutswana?
Ke Msotho.
Aba re Basotho.
ufake
Basotho.
ingile ungithathela isikhathi
Ngini cabanga ngithenga itight baby ngifuna ke gym.
fanele ngibukeke fanele
Ngithengela lo dodo ebiza
Fanele
ngegate.
ngibukeke, nami ngithengela ama-specs angithi uyawabheka bonke yabatho ngayo
Into leyo wena.
Hey. Yes.
Let's on two wena.
hayi wena
All right, yeah.
Bakeng la.
hayi suka noma
Mara la chitelana lo. Wa go tsanga relationship. Wena wa go etsa.
chocho nami buyisele
Wena wa go tsanga relationship.
angisayifuni
Ha ka kufuni buti.
thatha ixesha
Uthathile ixesha umoshitse umunski.
Tseditse nyona kaofela.
hayi suka uthatha ixesha
Uthathile ixesha.
anginandaba ngisakufuni
Sala, hamba.
hayi nawe
Akutsibi
Eh.
ngikubona la istrat.
Hlukanani.
uzongenzani
Tsamaya uye ku Sylvia hamba.
Yo.
Lwena tsamaya ku Buntutuko.
Yo.
O profita jwang so miskat akamponena ku pele.
Profita tsona.
O profit.
suka
Mona ke nida ntonyana tseo tshejo.
yo amaradini awazi asixabane
Ha ke a le qabanisa bofebe ke lone mo le qabanisitseng. Ha o le sfebe. Sfebe dula le sfebe. Oh, ontso le sfebe. Sfebe ke sfebe. Bicycle a monte scooter room iskat o desperado o is tutu. Go tsene bofebe. Ha ona le problem ya nawa le go sa khone go tswala zipi. O tlamile o ntse re ke kopa ska ntshwara jalo yai baske zip guys re tla bona gape CMTV myself and drums. There's another episode bye. Hey
You can't send these emojis when you're on talk to a friend or to a call. These are flirty emojis.
So you want to say I'm cheating?
Yes.
Yes, you are.
Oh.
There are no other female colleagues she
A friend
talks
with
to,
them,
you know.
son.
She's got no sisters, no mother, no family, nothing. She chose you for people.
I think you're asking a wrong person. You should ask her. But as we were working together, she asked me.
Why did you entertain? Why did you say, no, I don't know anything about this. Speak to your mother or God or something. Why do you have to entertain it and it gets this far?
That's my colleagues.
There's nothing like that.
Go into media, go
Nothing
into
like that.
pictures. What kind of pictures are they sending each other?
Maybe we can try again, but I don't think it's a good idea to call Nonhlanhla
Why?
because akakwazi nawe futhi and usebenza nami the next thing.
So when you're coming and play this, but you don't tell me that you've got a partner. You don't talk about me.
But you know, as friends, we talk about everything and anything.
I can't say well of all the colleagues there.
Ish,
There are no female colleagues there.
it means that I'm lucky.
Dumela maboko ga ke re lo mogelesegele via it's a girl Dino Caro and this is CMTV my scat kemo ni athebana na lante ba ka couple teaching phones my scat na ke are lo jola jwang rena re sa jole a re tsabe mo strateng re ba kene and see gore what's happening ntshala morago nsi
and wena okwesithunga liba last wathi mandibambe izivuke ngizayimela mina lona
Indaba yazenzakalani?
Lubani lokusendela amabele.
ari ngutwe pelo
It's not what you think, man.
Khulumani ngoba uyasho lo muntu ukuthi una 2 years into
bathi
nna ke tla pisha ke monna